Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Redmi 13C to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in Wait pop-up at the top. And select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Xiaomi, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, choose all of your files to transfer. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. And tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. It's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section. Copy all of those numbers and connect by hitting Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my selected files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!